And we are back with the Lamborghini Aventador replacement, man. This is called the Lamborghini Revuelto. As you can see, it has a Lamborghini Huracan Technica front end looking, some resemblance, or even a Sion. How are y'all feel about the looks, man? I definitely think this is a W. A lot of car brands been taking L's, but Lamborghini took the right approach for it. It looks exactly like all Lamborghinis is going in the right direction, man. And this is the first Lamborghini Aventador, or my bad, not Aventador, Lamborghini to have 1,000 brake horsepower to go up against like the Valkyrie, the Valhalla, the SF90, and Ferrari's new up and coming cars. So supposedly it puts out 1,000 horsepower, and it even has 13 different driving modes. So when you guys get in your V12, you can be able to turn it on silent mode so the neighbors won't be mad at you. And as soon as you get out the neighborhood, you crank that thing up, man. How do y'all feel about this, man? I think this is a W for Lamborghinis, the whole heritage of Lamborghinis, man. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about this in the comment section below, man. Make sure you hit the like, comment, and subscribe, man. Hit the follow button. You watch other platforms. Thank you and have a nice day.